What is vishing and how do I protect myself against it? Vishing is a technique used by hackers to dupe unsuspecting victims through a voice call or voicemail. To conduct the attack, the scammers call you and misrepresent themselves. They try to fool you into sharing your credit card number, government IDs, and other sensitive information. Vishing versus phishing. What's the difference? Indeed, vishing may be considered a type of phishing. Phishing attacks center solely on the use of voice to scam others. Phishing itself is actually a catch-all term for a range of attacks that aim at stealing sensitive information. Phishing scams can use a variety of things, including voice, text messages, fake emails, websites, and more. There are also some other phishing scams out there that you should know about. Spear phishing, when a scammer targets a specific individual or organization. Smishing is a term used when scammers use text messages to target you. Whaling is scam whereby attackers target celebrities, politicians, or other well-known individuals to blackmail them. Regardless of the type of attack in question, phishing and vishing scams all have the same goal in mind. That's to steal your information. My thanks go to Grace Macej for her excellent article on this topic. Please read her entire article at the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.